So I got my sister and my wife right in front of us. So it's a beautiful Saturday and we're about to go pedal boating.
Do you guys want to take a picture here?
Yes, yeah, if we could do that, yeah.
Next up is this seat.
Hello.
Hello. Oh,
Hello.
video ki camera.
Video.
Hello. We are doing family boating today. It is a beautiful Saturday.
Spontaneous day.
Yes.
We're finally doing the boating.
All is well. Give blessing to me on the road.
That's why I'm sitting in the middle.
Yeah.
Let's see how you guys do.
So we just got off our 1 hour pedal boat and I think our thighs, legs might be sore, but we had a great time. So we got in some breeze, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful view, and it's amazing out here. Just an update. So me, wifey, and my sister, we actually got home. So everybody is super exhausted and, legs are tired. We had a good lunch and, stomachs are full. So we finally got home and, it's been an adventurous, spontaneous day. So we're tired and just chilling and relaxing at home. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was just a video of, sharing a day in our life. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. God bless. Take care.